Hey, listen up, everybody. There is nothing on the market as dynamic as Dynamoto Motorcycle Stands. Watch this real-time video of me turning my bike 180 degrees and being ready to ride in less than a minute. Right now, you can save 10% on Dynamoto's Black Friday sale, a significant value for this amazing addition to keep your bike safe, clean, and easy to access. Follow the link in the description and use the code above to order yours now and truly improve a part of your moto life.